Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready, VS Code and a project folder. First, open the folder in VS Code so the editor maps files and extensions. Then create index. HTML and a simple HTML skeleton. This confirms the workspace is active. Install Live Server now because it gives instant reload. This speeds up testing and avoids manual refresh. Once done, make sure extensions are enabled and that the file is saved. Unsaved files won't reflect changes in the browser. You're about to launch the page. Right-click Index. HTML and pick Open with Live Server. Live Server serves files over a local URL, so assets load correctly. If you need a specific port or base path, open Extension Settings. Customization prevents conflicts with other services. Watch the VS Code terminal for errors because console output helps diagnose missing files or 404. Make sure autosave or manual save is used. Otherwise, the browser shows stale content. Once you've reached cleanup and checks, use browser dev tools for DOM inspection and Live Server's console for live errors. This shows why something breaks. If the page doesn't load, stop and restart Live Server or change its port. Sometimes another app holds the port. Make sure files are saved with HTML and UTF-8 encoding because wrong extensions or encodings prevent rendering. One key tip: if changes don't appear, clear the browser cache or hard reload. Caching often hides your latest edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.